Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix black screen issues. So let's jump right into the video, and if you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe for daily tutorials, and if you have any questions, suggestions for the next tutorial, please let me know in the comment section. And yeah, now let me show you what I've tried and it worked for me, and I hope it's gonna work for you as well. So what you have to do is to head over to GeForce Experience, click on it, and now what you have to do is to go to settings right over there. So click on this icon right over here, and here what you have to do, guys, is to go to in-game overlay and make sure you turn this off. Why, you might ask, is because simply this can cause conflicts with the game and lead to black screen issues. Alright, so I hope, guys, this short tutorial saved you time, and now you can enjoy this beautiful and awesome game. Okay, so thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe for more short type of tutorials, but that are going to help, because that's my goal. So I hope this video helped you, and please leave your feedback down below. I'm really curious to read if this worked for you as well as it did for me. So thank you for watching, guys, and take care.